Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. I know it's been a while since I last vlogged and sobrang na busy, ang daming ganap. Matthew's parents was here for like 3 weeks and I did a lot of packing as well because we're moving to Alberta. Yes, I stayed here in Ontario for like 3 years, and now we're entering a new chapter. We are moving to Alberta, and I'm scared and excited at the same time. So, yeah, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga na-pack na namin. Okay, so here's what we have so far. Ayan na yung mga boxes na na-pack ko. For like weeks now and I did almost of the packing kasi my work si Matthew. So, yeah, this one I'm gonna put some appliances there na nakalimutan ko. And then, yep. We have so much boxes. Oh my gosh. Sobrang mamimiss ko yung view na to, guys. We have the best view here. Well, sobrang appreciative ko lang sa location ng unit namin kasi um look at that. Pasensya na ang dumi ng glass, but look at that view. And especially pag sunset, summertime, I just stay there in the balcony, read a book, or just, watch some videos while looking at the sunset. Sobrang ganda, guys. So, I will definitely miss this apartment. Sobrang daming memories and sobrang special nito kasi this is our first home. So, dito na buo, tumibay yung relationship namin. Wow! May pagtibay. But anyways, totoo yun, guys. Like, sa apartment na 'to, sobrang, um, nabuo yung relationship namin talaga. And I'm very grateful. Thank you, Lord, for letting us stay in this beautiful home. And if it weren't for Him, to be honest, it wouldn't be a home, and we wouldn't have a really good relationship. So, yeah. Okay, hi guys. Grabe wala pang kaayos-ayos. Sobrang stress lately, sobrang daming ganap, sobrang daming ginagawa, sobrang busy. Um, so yeah, we're finally moving to Alberta. And I'm really excited. Sobrang na busy last few weeks, few months ago kasi yun na nga since ever since we've decided that we're gonna move to Alberta, um we obviously told our friends, family and friends, and meetups here and there, and um going to these places here and there before the actual move kasi nga mamimiss namin obviously yung Ontario. This has been our home. Well, my home for 3 years now, and Matthew, I think 7 years or 8. So, yeah. Um, Sobrang mamimiss namin tong place na 'to. Sobrang daming ganap. If I want peace and quiet, pwede akong pumunta sa somewhere out of the GTA. If I want something, city vibe, busy party, I'll just go downtown. So, yeah, depende sa mood mo, depende sa preference mo, meron kang lugar dito sa Ontario. But yeah, we've decided to move to Alberta because we want to enter the new chapter of our lives, and um, marami din kaming plano na I think mas magagawa namin if nasa Alberta kami. So yeah, anyways, I'm just so grateful for this home. Itong apartment na to, we've stayed here for like a year kasi yeah, a year kasi by the time naalis kami dito, ayun yung end ng lease term namin. So hindi na namin siya i-renew. And yeah, grabe. Dito, nabuo talaga yung relationship namin ni Matthew. I would say we've bonded. Yung bond namin naging stronger when we stayed here together. And sobrang memorable kasi ito yung first home namin together. Dito kami nag-start mag-live-in, and try to do things on our own. So, ang saya, and that's when I realized na maraming realizations sa sa relationship namin, sa sarili ko and kay Matthew. And, I've learned a lot of things about me na hindi ko alam before, and gano'n din si Matthew, and gano'n din sa relationship namin as, as partners. So, sobrang grateful. Thank you, Lord, for giving us this beautiful apartment, beautiful home, and ang daming happy and sad memories. Obviously, when you're in a relationship, it's not always up, it's not always happy, it's not always, you know, beautiful. Um, there would be challenges, and I'm happy that we're able to go through that. And together with God's guidance here in this home. And ayun, sobrang ramdam ko talaga guys na nung lumipat kami dito ni Matthew, mas tumibay yung relationship namin na alam mo yun, yung iba doon mo ma-realize na parang hindi pala ito yung tao na para sa akin. Alam mo yun, kapag tumira kayo sa isang lugar, sa isang bahay, that's when you realize na parang ganito pala siya, ganyan pala siya mag-handle ng um, bagay-bagay, and um, ang dami naming na-realize ni Matthew sa isa't isa, and I'm happy, and I'm happy, really, truly happy to move forward, you know. So it's time to move to the next chapter of our lives, which will be in Alberta, and you will be part of it, So our move, it's a mutual decision. Na-realize namin and feeling namin na, there's nothing really holding us back here in Ontario. So, might as well move, And I feel like most of our plans will be able to do it in Alberta. So, uh, abangan nyo sa mga susunod na vlogs. Uh, but anyways, yeah, let's talk about the moving itself. So, guys, when you're planning to move, kahit saan man yan, if not Alberta, if you're moving somewhere, if you're from a different country, moving is moving. It's the same thing. You have to do your research, especially if you have a lot of things and you would need a help from a moving company or or movers. Kailangan yung mag-research kasi you'll be entrusting your things to them for like a few weeks, a few days, right? So I was doing my research, sobrang daming bad reviews. Ang hirap pala, like I've requested for quotations, estimates from a lot of moving companies, and it's ranging between 1800 and 2800. So, yung 2800 na yung parang pinaka nagustuhan ko, pinaka na trust ko na moving company. Pero estimate pa lang yun, guys. Um I think it can get lower, but it can also go higher than that. And yung 1800 naman, okay sana eh. But then I saw all the reviews and it wasn't good. Same din naman sa 2800 na nakita ko. Mahal na nga siya. Well, I'm not sure if mahal, pero okay na siya. But then, ang dami ring bad reviews. So, it's really up to you sa preference nyo. Kung hindi naman kayo maselan, you may opt on the cheaper side. Kasi baka maganda din naman yung service. Depende rin talaga yan sa kanya-kanyang experiences. Pero ako, um, I'm big on reviews. Parang kadalasan ng mga ginagawa ko, even just, looking for a restaurant or a place to stay, sobrang chine-check ko yung reviews. So, if you're that type of person, then you have to do your own research. So, while I was doing my research, I was going through TikTok, you know, um, and I found this comment in one of the videos I was watching, and sabi nga dun, try U-Box by U-Haul. So, if you don't know U-Haul, That's U-Haul. That one. That's the company. Um, they offer, you know, you can rent a truck from them if you want to drive it and put your things in the truck, drive it. You can do that. They also you can also rent parang like a container, and then you can hitch it in your car or truck. You can do that as well, and they also provide that service. And apparently they have U-Box na hindi ko alam kasi when we moved from Mississauga to here in Hamilton last year, we used U-Haul truck, and Matthew drove it kasi malapit lang. And but now we have a car, and isa lang well, dalawa kami drivers, but from Ontario to Alberta, it's gonna be hard kapag separate kami ng, car. So, apparently, yung U-Haul, meron palang U-Box. So, they you can rent a container from them and then have it shipped from wherever place you want. So, yeah, sa isang malaking trailer, ilang boxes, ilang U-box yung kasya do'n. So, gano'n yung itsura niya. So, I'll leave the link of U-Box by U-Haul on the description down below so you guys can see it if you're interested. Para lang makatulong sa mga sa mga maseselan na katulad ko. Hindi naman maselan, pero I want peace of mind, alam mo yun? Like, I don't wanna parang pay so much money tapos ang daming problema. So, at least this one, it's guaranteed. So, that's one thing I like about U-Box. Um, kasi guaranteed after two weeks, um, nandun na sa nearest U-Haul location yung container ko. And if I don't have a place para ilagay yung mga gamit, pwede kong i-rent for I think 99.95 yung U-Box, and stay lang siya dun sa U-Haul location na malapit sa akin. One more thing I like about it is yung price guaranteed na. So, kung ano yung lumabas na total sa while I was checking out, yun na yun. Wala na siyang hidden charges or additional charges kapag may mga kung ano-ano. Compared sa, I don't know how moving company works though, pero based sa reviews na nabasa ko, sobrang daming hidden charges and extra charges na parang um ano na, sobrang na-compromise na yung budget nila. So, that's what I don't like. Ayun yung, doon na-stress yung utak ko. So, I want something guaranteed. So, for us, it's 2,600 from Ontario to Alberta. And, all in all na yun. Like, everything na yun. So, um, included na dun yung U-Box container, which is 99.95, and I think it's the shipping itself na around 1,900 plus taxes and everything. So, yeah, and then by the time it gets there to Alberta, they will notify me. Then once they notify me that, it's in the nearest U-Haul location, yung container ko, then I can schedule a drop off. So, pwede nila i-deliver nila from that U-Haul location to my exact address in Alberta. And then I can also hire a third party na nasa U-Haul website na rin, um, na movers. So, if I need help, so kapag mag-isa ka lang and you need help in terms of like moving your things from the container to your home, walang problema kasi may third party parang partners yung U-Haul na movers. So, you can select which one you want, but if you don't need any help, if you're good to unpack it on your own, then that's fine as well. That's just optional. So, yeah, for us, I didn't get any help na yung kinuha kong helps na from movers is yung paglagay ng mga gamit sa container. So, here sa Hamilton. But then dun sa Alberta, kami na lang ni Matthew yung bahala dun. So, yeah, so yun lang naman. So, that's one thing na gusto ko lang i-share for those people who are planning to move anytime soon. You might want to consider U-Box by U-Haul kasi at least for me, guaranteed siya. So, depende pa rin yan sa preference nyo. But yeah, that's my decision. That's our decision. So, ayun. Hopefully, I think magkasya naman lahat kasi sa website nila, there's also like, showroom. Parang may ginawa silang video na nilabas nila yung mga gamit na nandun sa container and ano talaga siya, parang 1-bedroom apartment worth of things. So, I think kasya naman yung mga gamit namin. And then the rest, ilalagay lang namin sa car. So, we will be driving from Ontario to Alberta and I am excited. I know nakakapagod siya because it's gonna be 3 days, guys. 3 days. So, obviously, may kasama ng check-in yun sa hotel and stops. So, yeah. Yung iba siguro kaya ng 2 days kung saan man kayo sa Ontario. But we're from Hamilton and nasa parang baba siya ng Ontario. So, it's gonna take us a day to be out of Ontario. And then, sunod na stop is Winnipeg and then sunod na stop is Alberta. So, hindi na kami magsistay. Obviously, we'll pass by Saskatchewan, pero hindi na kami magsistay doon. Hindi na kami mag-check-in. So, mag-break lang kami, maybe take a nap, ganyan-ganyan. Sa car na, hindi na kami mag-check-in. So, that's another vlog. So, watch out, guys. I'll film the whole thing. Yung road trip, yung pag-visit namin sa places here in Ontario up north. So I'm excited because I feel like it's like a road trip and hopefully, Lord, it'll be a smooth and safe drive. Sana walang maging problema. But yeah, later on pag dumating yung movers, guys, I'll show you what U-Box looks like and kung magkakasya ba lahat ng gamit namin. Pero kailangan magkasya kasi hindi namin alam gagawin namin pag hindi. So, baka mag-donate kami ng wala sa oras, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm just happy to be able to sit down and again share these things with you guys. Ang tagal kong hindi nag-vlog. Actually, nag-vlog ako pero putol-putol yung clips and hindi ko siya mabuo. So, baka hindi ko na lang siya upload. So, madaming nangyari. Madaming ganap lately. And, ayan na nga, dumating na tayo dito sa point na kung kailan magmo-move, dun pa ako nakapag-vlog. But then, I was really planning to vlog din naman today. So, yeah. Siningit ko lang, but I still have a lot of final packing to do. So, I'll just, show it to you guys. I don't know. So, yeah. Let's go! Hey, love. We're moving! Say hi to the vlog.
Hold on, I'm not gonna say hi to stop it.
He's watching a game. Who's playing?
Crystal Palace Aston Villa semi-finals.
Thanks for breakfast.
You're welcome. And coffee.
Yep.
A coffee a day keeps the miserableness away. Remember that.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Neon lights, cities alive, heartbeat racing, spirits thrive. Let's lose control, feel the heat. Tonight's the night on our feet. Rhythms calling, can't resist. Body moving, lost in this. With you beside me, hand in hand, dancing till the break of dawn. Sweat dripping, Heart pounding, energy soaring, never grounding, lost in the music, feeling free. A moment in time, just you and me. Feel the beat, let's ignite. This night is ours, shining so bright. Together we'll rise, reach for the sky. No limits, let's fly. Electric nights, endless fun, dancing till the morning sun. With you by my side, we're one. Let's make this night seconds to none. Electric nights, endless fun, dancing till the morning sun. With you by my side, we're one. Let's make this night seconds to none. The night is young, the music's playing. Let's keep this party going. Rhythms calling, can't resist. Body moving, lost in bliss. With you beside me, hand in hand, dancing till the break of dawn. Sweat dripping, hearts pounding, energy soaring, never grounding, lost in the music, feeling free. A moment in time, just you and me. Feel the beat, let's ignite. This night is ours, shining so bright. Together we'll rise, reach for the sky. No limits, let's fly. Electric nights, endless fun, dancing till the morning sun. With you by my side, we're one.
We are leaving now, guys. This is our last day here in this apartment, and you will definitely miss this. So this one's the living room where we spend so much time together, watch a movie, and some date nights. Here's the kitchen, where we used to cook a lot of things. And then the den, or our storage area. Definitely miss this place. It has been a home for us for a year. And this is the balcony with a really nice view there, especially during sunset. Sobrang ganda yan, guys. Here's our bathroom. Another storage area. And here is our bedroom. That's the closet. So yeah, oh my gosh, we will really miss this place. Again, thank you, Lord, for putting us here in this amazing home. It has been a nice journey, and we're excited for new adventures ahead of us. We'll miss this place.